everybody's having a good day. So as you can see over there, we had to shut down one lane of traffic today to take the tree out in the right-of-way. And shut one because the branches are hanging over the lane of traffic. So he's gonna cut all that down. He's got the lift to get him up there. Hope everybody's having a good day. We just knocked down the biggest tree out here.
But we didn't get it.
Yeah, we missed it by 10 minutes or something, but here it is laying on the ground. Just a massive tree.
I want to get on it.
Everybody's having a good day. We've got the tree clearing all finished here. Tree stumps everywhere. The silt fencing, gotta get a silt fence all the way around the property for erosion control. That has begun. And as you can see over here, the guys are starting the silt fence. Black fence, that's for erosion control. Once we start taking all this grass off, when it rains, the dirt's able to wash away and create erosion. Well, the silt fence will catch all that silt and keep it from running off into those other properties over there. So progress is being made. We're gonna start doing demo on these houses, all these different structures out here. All these structures will start to come down here in the next few days. Hope everybody's having a good day. We're back over here at the Lawrence project. Let's check out a tree stump that's been pulled out of the ground. Look at that. That's one of the beech trees. There's actually two tree stumps. So they cut around it. And then they pull it up out of the ground, kind of dig underneath it as well. These tree stumps can be extremely large and extremely heavy. Everybody's having a good day. Getting the brick is now off the house. First step is to get the brick off the house so it doesn't mix in the dumpsters with all the wood, the lighter material. The heavier weight material all goes in its own dumpsters and dump trucks sent to a landfill. The other material goes separate. Again, the whole house is laying here in the basement. There's one, fully intact. There's the old sewer. Oh, look at the bathtub. Bathtub took a crushing. This is cast iron. Big heavy sucker. It's seen its final bath. This was the garage right here. See garage floor piled up. There's the frame of the garage. Still one structure standing. Been standing here quite a while. You know, that's life, evolution. Things are up, serve their purpose. Come down, make way for new. Look at this beam right here. Look at that beam. Post, beam and post system. So that's another step complete. I got those trees out of here. Knock them houses down. Got to clean up the mess. Tree stumps are all in a big pile ready to be hauled off. Working on permits. Hope everybody's having a good day. Behind me is the Lawrence project. The entire property has been cleared. You know, when we started here, there was trees, very large trees. Small trees, large trees, all kinds of landscaping. Houses, outbuildings, fences, utility poles, all of it. All of it's been deleted. And we've got us a building site here. And as soon as the permitting allows, we're gonna start moving dirt. And we're gonna, you can see it, it's kind of low over here at the edge of the property, and then it goes up in the middle and then back down on the other side. Well, we're gonna take out about 6 feet of this dirt, everything above my finger. Take it out and level off this property and bring some of that dirt down here and fill this in. And the same thing on the other side. So that's the next big thing that's going to be happening, coming up very soon. little baby is. Everybody's having a good day. We're out at the Lawrence project. We're ready to put our signs in the ground. We got one out there by the street. We're going to put this one in the back by the golf course. Let's go.
All these trees and all the houses got all put down. Yep. Here's a cool thing about their house, where their house is gonna be, that it has if you're on the other side, you can see the this golf course, because this golf course is really big and it comes to their house. It's really cool. And you're wondering, I haven't been on camera in a long time because I go to school now. It's a weekend, so I get to be here. Okay, I won't fall in the hole. There's one way to get out of this one, though. There's like a little, but up here, because people tee off here. Hey, can you tell me what a tee off is?
Right here. They shoot the ball. They shoot the ball down there to the flag.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get over this. Woo, you made it. Traeger Custom Homes, 317-845-5686, BonTraegerHomes.com. Yeah, Bontraeger Homes.
Bontraeger Homes.
If you guys can't see that flag down there. See that flag right there.
Alright.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And make sure you always be kind and love your house.